Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you all about Canva, how to use it, what you can do, and give you some tips of what you can do to make some money using it. So stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm J Roberts, Geeky Dad, and this is Building My Empire. Now if you're new here, welcome. Please scroll down, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for find out what's happening. Hi guys, today's video, like I said, I'm going to show you all about Canva and what kind of stuff you can use. I've been using this for months now. I do have Adobe Premiere and I do use that from time to time, but Canva's so much easier and quicker. I seem to use this a lot more. You can use it for lots of different stuff. I use it for my thumbnails, I use it for Instagram posts, Facebook posts, you name it. Let's show you. So this is like the main screen. Once you're signed up, this is like where you come to. You can type in what you're looking for. We'll go through that in a minute. Give you some examples here. You can click on these, they light up, or you can come down here and it starts showing you like YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, posters, Facebook covers, you name it, they've got it. Blog banners, cards, email headers, Twitter posts. I've not used it for Twitter, but you've seen there. Pinterest, Facebook app, Tumblrs, US letter documents, A4 documents, letterheads, magazine covers. You name it, guys, it's got everything. That's how easy it is. And if you look here, these are my designs. You can see I use it a lot. Use it for my business profile, which is this, what you're reading now. I've used it for my podcast. I've used it for well, there's my podcast. I've used it for Movies, Games, Beyond, which is our other YouTube channel where it all started, guys. So many, like here, the Movies, Games, Beyond ones. Twitch, I've used it for Twitch. So many. So even though I pay every month for Adobe Premiere Suite, Canva, it's totally free. I think there is a part where you can sign up for it, but I've never used that. So if you were to come on here, guys, and you wanted to, you can either click that, create a design, and just go through it. I've never actually put. Alright, yeah. So you click that, and then this is where you come and choose. So you've got like your social medias, and then you've got like a little arrow here. You can go through it all. Go down your documents, personal, like your recipe cards, photo book, calendars. So you could, guys, you could make some of these and then go and get them printed out, sell them. You know, I'll give a little gifts at Christmas, birthdays, Mother's Days. You know, there's quite a lot you can do actually. Postcards, make your own postcards, sell them. Planners. But yeah, a good idea is to make a calendar, give it out at Christmas, you know, for next year. 50 cards, yeah. So then you've got education, like your worksheets, lesson plans, contents, and then you've got marketing as well, like your posters, your flyers, brochures, tickets, ID card. You've got all, do you know what I mean? You've got all sorts of events. There's stuff on here, guys. I didn't even know it was on here. You know, I've used it for like YouTube thumbnails. I've used it for the banners, your logos, stuff like that. But I've never used it for like invitations and all this stuff. I didn't even know we were on. Ads and that, yeah. So that's quite good. I didn't know. Might use that next time I do a Facebook ad. Come here and use that. So yeah. So say for instance, what I do. I'll show you what I do. I'll come here, click on the thumbnail. And then it brings up like the template. Bear with me, guys. Internet's a bit slow. Yeah, so it brings up here. Then it gives you lots of different ones you can use. Like if you don't know what you want some ideas, just scroll down here. It kind of tells you like your music, food. But if you can click any of these and then you can edit them yourself, and you don't have to have them exactly like that. I'll show you this. Like say for instance, like I'll just choose this one, yeah. Oh yeah, if you look here, like it says free, yeah. There is some where it might require you to pay. Maybe if you go further down, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, you do come across the odd one what's you have to pay, but it's not much. So like, you click on whichever you want. If you want to play in one and you want to upload your, we'll go through that in a minute, guys. But on here, say for instance you like, well I want to change that. I don't want it called that. So you just click on it. You can either highlight it and do it all at once, or you can just do it like bit by bit. You wanted to change the colour. Change the colour. If you wanted brighter colours, which I normally do, you come on like your custom colours, and then look, you've got your red there. Think, oh well, I don't like that style of writing, or I want it bigger. Change it to bigger. We'll change the fonts. I'll show you what my son likes. This one. It's called Chewy. This one. We'll make it a bit bigger. No, we'll keep it that size. Or you guys, you can click on these little dots here and you can expand it a bit bigger if you want, you know. Or you can put it on its side, you know. Quite a lot you can do with it, guys. Then your pictures, you can, if you know what I mean, you can totally customize it however you want it, guys. Yeah, so adjust it, crop it, flip it. I don't know what flip it does. Yeah, so just mess around with it, play around with it and that. And then down here, down your side here, guys, you've got your elements. So you might have some different shapes and that on it, or some photos, grids and that, shapes, charts, lines. There's a lot of stuff on here I've not used myself, but I bet you could make some quality pictures and that. I use this a lot. These and what you can totally shape and size it, change the colours. What I tend to do a lot of, I'll put it behind the words, yeah. And what you do here, guys, you go to here where it says position, you say back. I've never used any of these, yeah. We'll try them out in a minute. So you do that, and there we go. It makes it stand out a little bit. Let's see. See what that does when we position it, yeah. So you can like do all your spacing and all that, yeah. Alright. Alright, yeah, so it's just basically that, isn't it? Totally messed around with it, I know. I've messed it up, guys. So you do that, guys, all you do is you come to where it says undo, right? And there you go. Back to normal, eh? Quite good, isn't it? That's the first time I've done it, guys. You learn something new every day, don't you? Right, so you can also add text. So you might think, what I do, if you see something you don't like, well, I'll show you now with this text. So yeah, you click on text, you can either choose this if you think it gives you a few examples of what you can have it looking like. I'm not really, I've chose the odd one, but what I tend to do myself. Hey guys, sorry about that, my phone went a bit funny and stopped recording. So I was explaining then that I've chose some of these now and again, but I normally stick to heading and then I'll choose what font I want, and I'll just choose in Coiny then because my sons like it. And this is what I wrote, and what you do if you think, oh, it's a bit too big, it's not, like, say for instance, you think, oh, it's too big that, so you just keep going down in sizes until it fits on. Yeah, and then if you didn't want to do it that way, you just get these little dots and you can move it. You can click it, move it wherever you wanted. So that's how you would do it, guys. If you was, oh sorry, one more thing. You can choose different backgrounds as well. Obviously, we've got all this, so we wouldn't want to. Or you click and upload your own image. These are some what I've used already. So let's start again. Let's let's get rid of this one. Yeah, and then say, for instance, let's click another. Let's do a Pinterest graphic. Yeah, never actually done one of these, but so as again, it'll start off blank. You can choose one of these if you wanted to, guys, or you could just do an upload, and then you just click on that for upload from your wherever you've stored it. Or let's say, for instance, these what I've used. Let's do me and my boys. Then you click on your picture. It'll come here like that. You can either drag it, and then it'll go big like that. But then you might miss some of the picture. So what I tend to do, if you grab it from the grab it from the corners. Do it that way, guys. Obviously, because it's so you can move it around. For some reason, it always gives like an extra one. Move it off the picture, guys. Yeah, so you can move it around with your mouse, yeah, until you get it into position where you want, and you could have some heading there or something. So we'll have a bit of text, yeah, and then it all starts off dead small, guys. Or what you should do is get it so it's big. Doesn't matter what we'll use. We can use any. We'll just use this toy box one. What colour should we have? We'll have my favourite colour. I always choose black, but we'll go for red, yeah. And as you can see, it's like that. So you grab these white lines, and what you do, you just pull it until it's all in line then, and then you just drag it. We'll have it there. What should we call it? Me and my boys, yeah. Just change that to capital. Yeah, there you go. So there's a picture of me and my boys. You think, oh well, you can move it around so it's in the centre. Then you might think, well, I want a bit of a background. So you can come here. You could background, sorry. We'll have that, yeah. Yeah. You don't like that one, just click it instead. Some leaves. So many, guys, isn't there? You can put your own picture in if you wanted to. If you've got your own background. A little bit of wood. I mean, I'm not really. Some bricks. yeah, so you get the general idea, guys, don't you? Have a play around with it and do some great designs. See, I didn't even know all this were here, guys. Didn't know this at all. But yeah, there's lots of stuff you can do on it. There's lots of stuff you can figure out. You probably know more than me by the time when you played around with it for a bit. Yeah, and then what you do then, guys, change the title here. So, but I don't need to because it says me and my boy. Sometimes whatever you write on the picture, it'll say there. Then you'll click here and it'll download it, or you can choose if you want to just publish it to all these. Yeah, you can print it off, send it to your website. You can upgrade and get things, but I don't know. What I just tend to do, guys, is ignore all this and I'll just click download, and then it will ask you what kind of file type you want. Let's see, this is on the premium version. Yeah, so it'll ask you what you want. I just keep it on this, the standard one, and then I download it. Simple as, guys, simple as. So have a try of it, guys. Play around, make some good designs, start selling them. Create good backgrounds and good logos for your social medias, your Facebook page, your YouTube channel. If you're on Twitch, design something for Twitch. You know, you can even charge people. Tell people you'll design the stuff for them. Go on Fiverr. You can go on Fiverr, like I've shown in one of my other videos, and you can create templates, logos, and just do loads of graphic design stuff. It's easy, guys. So yeah, if you found interest in this video, please comment below. If you know all about Canva and you know how to teach me, let me know. I'm always interested. So that being said, guys, I'm going to go. So thanks very much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. I'm Jay Roberts, Geeky Dad, and this is Building My Empire. Till next time, guys, goodbye.